Hey there, budgie lovers. Today, we're going to dive into the world of budgies and baby birds, exploring their beauty and charm. Did you know that budgies, also known as parakeets, are one of the most popular pet birds in the world? They're known for their vibrant colors, playful and their ability to learn a wide range of tricks and phrases. Baby birds, on the other hand, are a sight to behold. Their tiny, fluffy bodies and big, wide eyes are simply adorable. They're a symbol of new life and hope, and they remind us of the beauty of nature. So, let's celebrate the beauty of budgies and baby birds together. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more birdastic content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.